What's up, y'all? Just thought I'd do a little hands-on review for the Lenovo Flex 15. I got this laptop like a month ago. It's been pretty useful. I mean, it's got the pen, you can see that on the right. You can take notes on it. It's pretty fast. It serves my needs pretty well. It's also touchscreen. So, you can just, doesn't take that long to open up. Get stuff set up. I just had a couple of my old tabs and it's still pretty quick and twitchy fast, whatever it means. But yeah, so I'm just showing how it loads stuff pretty quick. Another thing you could do is you can take notes. And what I like, oh, this is from my old notes. So what I usually do is I can let me take this charger off. Can turn this laptop in a tablet mode, which is really useful. There we go. Got my pen. This is the Lenovo Active pen. This is the first generation one. It still works as well as the others. It can still has the same pressure points and everything that I like. So you can just write, you know. Pretty cool. Go ahead and show you guys a typing test for this. So yeah, I like this keyboard a lot actually. It's pretty responsive and fun to type on. When I did buy this laptop, it specified that it will be backlit keyboard, but for some reason I don't have that indicator on my space bar where you can press FN and space to turn on the backlit function. So yeah, this is what I got, and it's been pretty useful for me. Use it for work, for school. Pretty useful.